Hey everyone, I've got a quick video of a Husqvarna snowblower repair I had to do. These inside bolts here are a low profile carriage bolt that I needed to replicate. The original ones didn't have any way to hold the heads while you took the nut off the back side, and it was a real pain to get those out. I pretty much destroyed the bolts. The original bolts, getting them out, so I had to make a couple new ones. With these new ones, I wanted to put a screwdriver slot in the end to help with removal down the road. The reason I had to build these is because the plastic base for the chute on our Husqvarna snowblower gotten broken, probably from a rock going through it or something like that, but it was shattered, and so we had to replace that plastic base. And these two screws on the bottom of the base also needed to come out to get that base off, and so that was a real pain to get those out. Hopefully this will help removal of these if and when we have to replace that plastic base again here down the road. Here I'm just I've got some normal carriage bolts from the hardware store, and I'm turning the heads down to a low profile to match the original bolts that I had pulled out of this snowblower. Now I'm just setting it up in my horizontal milling machine. This is just another benchtop style. I put the slot in the top of this carriage bolt. Didn't take much to get this done. There's a total of 4 bolts holding this blower chute base in place. I only replaced the 2 lower ones. I'm probably going to have to go ahead and change out the 2 upper ones as well down the road. And so these last 2 that I'm making are for that purpose when the time comes. This also really helped the reassembly go a lot smoother. There's the slot, ready to go on. Anyways, I hope this helps someone out helps someone out here down the road. Thanks for watching.